Okay, so this is my Oclef Path project. I am Sid Hu, and I'm presenting this on October 31st, 2020. So Overlay is the album that I'm preparing for my Path project. The name Overlay comes from the combination or overlay of small and simple musical elements to make a more complex idea. Each track in this album is based off of a given theme, ranging from abstract emotions to landmarks to living things. And you might have noticed, but every track and title starts with O. As for the timeline, all tracks but one have been composed and are ready to be published. There might be some changes that have to be made before publishing, however, it won't be anything major. For the resources, all I need is a content distributor to get the music onto some platforms like Spotify, Apple Music, and etc. That's it. You have any questions?
All right, so thank you. A very concise presentation. I think the reason why you've made it so concise is because you're pretty much at the very last stages of the project and you're just presenting this as a formality. But I'm sure everyone else asked a few questions, so I'm going to pass it around. We'll start with Professor Fong.
I don't have any questions. Everything sounds good. So looking forward to it.
All right, good. And then Chris?
I don't know if I have much to say. I think sounds like you have a pretty good set plan. Everything sounds like it's already prepared. So I don't think I have much to add on. Yeah.
Okay, we got one more, Dr. Bell.
Unmute, sorry. Yeah, I would second everybody else. I know that, you know, as we said, this project is already kind of in the final stages. Seems well organized and well thought out, so I don't really have much to add. But, you know, again, as we always say, if you need any help with anything or, you know, questions about anything as you're finalizing this, I would, you know, again, be happy to help. So sounds great though.
Sid, one thing I wanted to drop in as an idea is that right now you're one of several students who are working on electronic albums. Absur is working on an electronic album. Emma Raharja is working on a hybrid electronic album. The reason why I'm bringing this up is because maybe it's a good idea to pair up with those students, and you don't have to worry about, like, you know, previously like schedules aligning. You guys, you know, have plenty of time because you just can log on to a room and you can meet up if you want a professor present, or if you even want just an instructor present, you can show up to a Kaizen class and use those classes to kind of talk through your ideas. But maybe a good idea is to talk with other people like Absur, like Amira Harja, who are going through the same thing as you right now, and seeing if you can, you know, sharpen some of your ideas or get some feedback from them, similar to like a performance seminar. What do you think about that, Sid?
Sounds great.
Yeah, so then that would be one step I would add. See if you can schedule that either through Kaizen, like maybe write to Upser, write to Emerald, write to somebody who is also doing a path project, and see if you can connect with them on that. And then, yeah, I'm looking forward to finishing this out. I noticed that you had graphics. This is the only other thing is I noticed you had graphics. Do you plan on going further into that? I know you draw and do different stuff. Like, what's your plan for that?
I had made, I should probably reshare it. I made the logo for the like album, and it looks like a clock, but since I'm missing one track right now, I haven't filled in the last spot.
Oh, that's cool. Yeah, that's neat.
So this is gonna be the album cover, I'm guessing, right?
Yeah.
Sweet. And then, do you know what the name of track 12 is?
haven't decided at the moment, but I'll try to figure out later.
Okay. I mean, you can call it Oclef if you want. Might fit in with the last O here. Just a suggestion. I'm not biased at all. All right. Well, we don't have anything else, so I'm not going to take any more of your time. But I'm excited for this to come to a conclusion, and you've been working on this for a while now. So I'm glad that you presented today, just to have everything organized, and then we'll have this posted. So if you need to review any of the comments that we talked about today, you can see it on YouTube. All right.
Okay.